period of 7 days. And what we've done is that all duly nominated candidates for local authority were given their ward voters roll. All duly nominated candidates for constituencies for National Assembly were given their constituency voters rolls. All duly nominated presidential candidates, all 11 of them were given the national voters roll. Now, when we get a blanket question like, why has ZEC not provided the voters roll? Sometimes we understand that it's a technicality to say, which voters roll are you talking about? Which voters roll, exactly which voters roll do you want? So those who were mandated in terms of electoral law to be given voters roll on nomination, they had been given copies of their voters rolls. Now, what is this voters roll issue which has gone to the courts? The voters roll issue which has gone to the court is that a duly nominated candidate and other stakeholders are not happy about the format in which ZEC has provided the voters rolls. Now, that is a matter which I'll not touch upon because the courts are yet to pronounce themselves to say, have we given them the voters roll in a format which is permissible in terms of our constitution and electoral law. In our view as a commission, we have complied with electoral law in that we have given them copies of the voters roll as stipulated by electoral law at ward level, at constituency level, and at national level. Whether or not the format is one which is permissible at law, the courts are going to guide us on that. And whatever it is that the courts guide us on, we will comply with the orders of the court. On postal voting,